What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're gonna be talking about is a crypto coin that would have made you millions, literally millions. And I'm gonna tell you a story on how I lost literally upwards of now where it was at all-time highs, literally 500 grand, because it literally did crazy numbers. It was absolutely insane. So if you do enjoy this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'm posting here daily, as well as check out my Discord down below. Basically, if you hate looking for coins and you hate trying to figure out the next play and losing money, and you really want to take crypto serious and double your money, join the chat. It's awesome. It's a great community. We got a lot of people in there that are very wise, know what they're doing. For instance, one dude, admin in my chat, called out a 4,000% token. Basically, you would have got in, it would have been an easy flip. So raising the price in 3 hours as you're watching this video. Get it while it's hot. I'm just gonna keep raising the price because the value is so good there. We just love making people money. You'll pay for it the first day, probably on the first play. So join that and let's get into this video. So yeah, there was a token, and I'm gonna be honest, I'm kind of salty because the situation I was in, it was completely avoidable, and I would have definitely gotten in and made a ton of money, a literal ton of money. So there's this one, see it on screen, it dropped the other day. Yeah, went from $1 to $1,200 in literally like 30 minutes. It was crazy. Then I went to the bathroom, right? Because I've been traveling a lot recently. So I just got back to the house, figured out this coin, went to the bathroom. By the time I was done with the bathroom, it already had shot up, and it was like a rug pull at the end of the day. But you would have made money because it wasn't like they locked your wallets or anything. You could sell, but it was just skyrocketing. And then, oh my gosh, it was crazy. It went from $1, a little less than $1 to $1,200, and then it fell off. Like, there was another coin today, actually a couple days ago, called Mushabu. Did the same thing. These coins are absolutely insane, guys, and I hope that you guys can get in on them because these are life-changing. Like, all it takes, it's just one play. You just need one play, and then you're better. You're out of that sticky financial situation. Like, all it takes is one play. So if you haven't made money yet, I suggest sticking to it. Keep going. I'm not trying to plug my own stuff because you can join any crypto chat, but join a crypto chat because that literally just help you in your decisions. And if you can find like-minded people that do the same thing, that's a cool community, then you'll literally be way better off than the 99% that are just trying to do it by themselves. So highly suggest that, guys. I don't know, just a crazy story, crazy coin, right? There's a lot that are going to come out soon that I feel like are going to be priced around the dollar range because I don't know, I've not seen a 0.00000, under a penny coin do anything like these dollar coins have been doing. So I think this might be the new wave. You never know. So seeing a lot of these come out, I'm going to keep calling them. My chat will keep calling them, and we're going to keep eating, baby. So I love you guys so much. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let me know if you had a crazy story like this where you literally went to the bathroom and missed out on a ton of money. You win some, you lose some. I don't know, it's pretty crazy. Right now we're at a hotel here in Vegas, but just want to get this video, guys. So I love you so much. Make sure to leave a like on the video, subscribe to the channel, as well as follow my Instagram if you need any help. And then join my Discord. Like I said, if you want a community and you want people to help you make money, it's the perfect community for you. Raising the price soon in 3 hours. So love you guys so much. I'm gonna pump 2 videos a day out. It might be today or tomorrow. It's gonna come out soon. So expect to see a lot more of my face. Yes. I'll see you guys in my next video.